morning from Chiang Mai. We're here with the Compass Edition group to go to MotoGP to see the race. First stop will be coffee with elephants. We continue. First stop, coffee with elephant. Another checkpoint of the day.
It's the best timing for
We all have to bring out the passport to let them check. Good morning. We are at Sukhothai. We got the bag. Bring out the water. Hello.
Hello.
We are here at Phnom Brung Historical Park. So what do you think about it, Janet?
Amazing. I find it very interesting that it's so old and it's so beautiful.
So what do you think about Vietnamese food?
Good. I like Vietnamese food. Very good. Very
What do you say, Pete?
I say I like watching people make their own lunch. Very amusing.
Hi, my name's Boris, and I've just finished a compass expedition tour of Thailand for MotoGP. And I have ridden some of the most amazing roads. I think my first favourite road was on day one when we went up the mountain. I don't know where it was. I was amazed the surface of the water. But the last 2 days blew my mind. I have never seen anything like it. The roads here are better than the roads in Australia. We did 250 kilometres plus of corners. Great corners, mad corners, fast corners, slow corners, corners. All the corners in the world are here. And if it wasn't for George, Pete and Tommy, none of this would be possible. Thanks so much to them and to Compass. It was incredible.
Perseverance over the last 12 days. I'm sure it's been testing from time to time. When we got there, we experienced some fabulous roads, beautiful hotels, an endless supply of food, 2 or 3 days per day, and water, and cold beer, and a MotoGP experience like no other that I've experienced anywhere else in the world. So it's been a fabulous trip, and add to that, enjoying it with people from all over the world, many different places. It's certainly been a trip of a lifetime. I'd also like to just single out, if you don't mind, Tommy and George for their relentless pursuit of making everybody happy and doing stuff for us. And always with a smile. And it's been very much appreciated. The guys on the tour, I hope you don't mind, have had a bit of a whip around for Tommy and George, and I have a very elegant package here. This is a laundry bag from the last hotel, and if you don't mind, I'll give it to George.